Hi everyone, Johnny here from JC Trading. Just want to go through a little video today. We have had a contractual change from the September contract to the December contract with the futures and indices, and I just want to go through the process of what I go through to check this data for the changeover, as well as coming to the charts on TradingView and then marking up the charts as well. So I just want to show you how our process is at JC Trading, is what we do. Now, first of all, we've got this CME group. I'll put a link in the description for this link to this site. And what we look for is the volume for the contractual changes. So as you can see here, the September contract is at 339,000, and then the December contract is actually above this. So this, to me and Chris at JC, means that we change over the contract to the December contract. So in layman's terms, we go from the NQU contract to the NQZ contract. So this is the site we use for that. Now, going into TradingView, as you can see here, we've got the NQZ contract. Now, to get this NQZ contract, what we do is we go into the futures section, the NQ, into the drop down, and as you can see here, you've got a contractual split of September contract, December contract, and then it goes March, June. So we are on the NQZ contract now. So what we do is highlight that. And as you can see on the chart, I've got no lines of interest marked out. So what I'll do here is I'll start marking them out. Now, how we mark them out for JC Trading is areas of liquidity. So what we like to do is we look to target areas of interest. So these areas of interest are session highs. Now you can see on my session, we've got these grey boxes. And what I like to do is I like to mark out the session highs and the session lows. So we'll mark them out as I'm going through. As you can see, we'll come down here. There's nothing to take at the bottom here. We'll basically go down further, and then we'll just mark them out as and when. Now you can see here that I am on the 15-minute contract, and this just allows me to get a greater scope of where the range sessions highs and lows are. So all it is just a nice quick process of marking them out. And as we're coming into the more recent times, what we like to do here is the same again, is the New York high. We've had this session violated by this session, so same again, mark the session high, mark the session low, mark the session low, and then we've got another contract there down at the low. Now the next process is, for me, is I like to drop down to the 5-minute, and I like to highlight certain areas of interest, so swing points, so identifying the market structure, so your higher highs, lower highs, where you're going to have resting liquidity. So I mark these out with a black line. Just standout areas. It's pretty straightforward to do. On the way up, there's nothing else there. That's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick rundown of that, and then we'll break down into the 4-minute, the 3-minute, the 2-minute, and then the 1-minute, which is what we trade on. And all I'll do here is I'll fine tune certain areas of interest. Now you can see here my equal highs and lows have came onto the chart, but my markings out have all stuck to it. Now we've got areas down here that all I'll do, pinpoint that low, and I'll also pinpoint that low. And that is it, guys. That's just a quick rundown of how I've basically just set my charts up there and then, just for the rest of the session for today. Now I hope that helps, and I hope you take this on board, and we'll see you for the sessions.